We're water testing a 565 for Joel. Joel's a diver, fisho, game fisho, weekends playing around with his mates. I'm sure he'll chuck a donut behind this, and well, there you go. That's what the boat's all about, isn't it? It's about versatility, yeah, and just doing anything and everything, you know, whenever you want. Joel's gone for a 16, an NSS 16 Simrad. He's gone for autopilot. Yeah, but he's got slimy tubes. We've got light bait tanks obviously plumbed up. And just a note on the light bait tanks, we've got two in this boat, as everyone knows, but they're on two separate valves as well. So you can shut one off, leave one on if you like, so you can have one dry, one wet, or you can shut them both off. You don't have to have them all, you know, turned on all the time or wet all the time. So there's a little thing we haven't mentioned before. And yeah, just storm grey floor and black sides, and we've got a bash plate on this boat. As I said earlier, Joel will be doing a fair bit of diving with his mates, spearfishing, you know, all those nice things out of the sea, the crays, the abs, and fish in particular. He's also opted for a diver's ladder, specific custom dive ladder that slips in nicely and neatly into the dive door. Have a look at that, I'm sure you'll like it. With all our packages these days, you'll see electric brakes on the trailers. We highly recommend them. The engine, once again, on this one is a 225 Merc 3.4 V6 engine. Beautiful engine, does all the right things. You know, we water test and make sure that we get the right revs, the right speeds and all that sort of thing, and they're pretty spot on with every boat that we've been doing. Joel, it's a pre-Christmas delivery. I'm sure you're going to love it, and I'm sure you'll be excited, and can't wait to see you tomorrow and to hear about all those stories, mate, over the long break with all the diving and fishing, mate. So happy holidays and enjoy it.